Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you guys a couple hits and misses from the month of March. Since it is April, I figured I would share those things. This actually was going to start out as reviewing one product, but it is a negative review and I hate spitting negativity, so I wanted to kind of counteract that with some positivity. So I wanted to show some hits and some misses. And I am not wearing anything on my eyes right now because of one of the things I'm going to show you. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kelsie. I am the blogger behind KelsieKristine.com. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, and also have this YouTube channel. So let's get started. Okay, so first up, we're gonna start with this guy. These are the magnetic lashes. A lot of people, this is from Ardell. A lot of people have asked me to try these out and if I've tried them, how I like them, things like that. So I wanted to give them a try. I bought these a couple weeks ago in, let's see, what, double demi and double 110s. This one's kind of falling, but. So I tried the double demi wispies and unfortunately they do not work for me. I was not able, I've tried, I want to say like 4 times and was not able to get these on where they stay. I had mascara on last time I tried them, so I'm going to actually try them again on camera for you guys and see if I can get them to work. So I'm not going to try these ones, I'm going to try the double 110s. The 110s are the non-magnetic Ardell 110s are the ones that I wear for a more natural look. So we're going to give these a try and see if they work without mascara and without anything on the eyes so you guys can really see. It says gently remove upper magnetic lash from tray and lay on top of your natural lash line. Then gently remove under magnetic lash from tray and place beneath your natural lash line to connect the 2 magnetic lashes together. And then using your index finger and thumb, you carefully slide the bottom and top magnets away from each other one by one for removal. You don't pull them straight off. I didn't even get that far, so we'll see. I really want these to work because they seem super easy. They look easy from the people that have tried them that I've seen, but I've also seen lots of fails. Okay, so here, upper and lower. So we're gonna grab one of the uppers. It says start with the upper. Let me zoom you guys in. So I'm laying it on the lash line as close as I can get. See how like it can't really stay. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Laying it on the lash line and you like really can't blink or they'll move. As close as you can get. And then come with the unders. Why are they not sticking? I can't see right now, but I can see that there's a huge chunk just hanging out. So when they come together, they pull away from my eye. And I don't know if that's because of the curl or what, but I know you're not supposed to do that, but they just come right off. So I feel like if you even bump them throughout the day, they're gonna pull right off. There's no way of like securing them. At least this is with my eye. I don't know if you guys have something different, but happen with yours. If you've tried them, I would love to know your ways. I'll try it one more time. As close to the lash line as I can get. I could have done like 4 sets of strip lashes with the glue by now. I mean, they look great from there, kind of. But, and I've tried to push them back. That one actually. Okay, that didn't work as badly. But you can see, like that doesn't look good, obviously. And then it just doesn't look good from the top either. I bet if I could get this corner in, it might look a little better, but who's to say that's gonna stay all day? Like they just come right off. So for me, these are a fail. I would rather do the glue-ons than the magnetic. Maybe I'll try a different brand in the future, but I just don't see how these would stay all day. Maybe they're supposed to be just for like a quick event or something, but I like mine to stay on as long as possible. Okay, and while we're talking about lashes, I shared this I think on my Instagram a couple months ago, and I've been trying it out, and I've been really using it almost daily in the month of March. All you have to do, there's what the tip looks like. And since I don't have anything on my eyes, I can show you guys right now, but you're using it like you would apply a liner, like a liquid liner. And you're just going like this on your eye. I haven't put mine on today, so. And that's it. And I haven't actually done it to the lower lashes because my lower lashes are pretty long already. But I have noticed that they're pretty long. So this is definitely a hit for me. So far, I've really been liking it. It's so it's Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. But I've really been seeing good results with it so far, so that's good. And I'll actually show you guys what it looks like, what my lashes look like with mascara on. I'm not gonna do my eyes today. I'm just gonna leave them pretty plain. But this is also one of my favorite mascaras. It's the Big mascara from Stila. Is it big? Oh, Huge. Stila Huge mascara. So there's one eye done. Okay, I feel a little better. So next up, let's see. The rest is pretty much skincare. Okay, so this is hair actually. This is the Kenra Platinum Luxe One Leave-In All-in-One Miracle Spray. It's a lot to say. Probably can't read it because it's so shiny of a label, but this stuff is amazing and it smells so good. The first day I used this, someone from like 20 feet away was like, "You smell really good, what is that?" And I'm like, I'm not sure what it is. And I was like, "Oh, I use this leave-in conditioner." And they came up and smelled my hair and they're like, "That's what I smell." It was like 20 feet away. I don't know, I really like it. So it says it's gold enriched and it's an all-in-one miracle spray enriched with precious gold for opulent slip and lustrous shine. Protects against thermal damage and revitalizes any hair type for healthy looking hair. The result is incredible manageability and smoothness, leaving hair stunningly silky to the touch. So you just shake well is what you're supposed to do before putting it in, and I let my hair kind of get a little dry, so I usually get out of the shower, do my makeup, and then once my hair is kind of a little bit air dried, I'll take this, squirt a bunch in my hand, and then I'll go through the ends of my hair with it, not towards the scalp at all. So I really have been liking it, and I'm gonna continue using this. This is definitely a hit for the month of March. Okay, another miss. I don't remember where I got this. I think I got it from Sephora a while ago, but I've been really trying to use it daily to see if I notice any differences. And it's the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infused Complexion Spray. I am all about adding vitamins to your skin and all that. It's supposed to reduce redness, minimize pores, and absorb oil. And I thought my face seemed a little more oily. I didn't notice any difference with this. So unfortunately, this is a miss for me. So this is essentially more of a beauty hits or misses rather than like a makeup hits or misses. So if you guys want me to do any makeup products hits or misses, definitely let me know down in the comments below. But the last two items I'm talking about are skincare. So this one is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. And if you guys remember me going to the Estee Lauder event at Ulta last month, they used this on my face during the day, so it's not just for night. And I really, really liked it, so I had to pick some up. Actually, no, this one I got sent to me to try out, and I've been using it every day and night. So at night, I'll just put it on after I wash my face. I'll use it as a serum, and then underneath my makeup during the week, I will use this kind of as like a primer. And I really, really, really like it. And the smell is actually pretty good too. Let me show you what the dropper looks like. So there's the dropper. To me, it smells like vitamin-y. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys, but I really enjoy the smell actually, and it's not overpowering on your face or anything, and it goes away right when you put it in your skin. So okay, lastly is the Ellimist Peptide for Night Recovery Cream Oil. As you can see, I've been using it a lot, but it's only like down to here. I use this at night as well. I've actually been mixing these two together lately, and I really like it, but this is definitely something you only can wear at night. Unless your skin's really dry, it's probably okay, but it's very moisturizing. I would not want to wear it under like my makeup or anything. And the smell of this is amazing. And I really like it. It absorbs into your skin, but still kind of like makes it feel moisturized, and you wake up feeling like very moisturized and fresh skin and all of that. So really like that. My skin has been doing so great lately, but I think that's because I gave up bread for a week. And I think while I gave up bread, I pretty much gave up like grains too. And then as soon as I started eating it again, like my whole face started breaking out. My body just must not have liked the sugar in the bread, so it just broke out just pretty much this side, which is weird, but I think I'm gonna go back to no bread and see if that helps my skin again. But my skin was doing so well, and I'm pretty sure it had something to do with using these products also. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna continue using them and then try the no bread thing again and see how that goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little hits or misses for the month of March with beauty products. So if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.